This is how you can unsend an iPhone iMessage. Let's say you send something super embarrassing to somebody and you want to delete it. It's understandable. For example, if I sent bozo to somebody because I was in a bad mood or they said something to me that I didn't like or whatever, I might say, whoops, I don't want to send that. But it's too late. I already sent it. How do we fix it? We tap and hold. And if it's within 2 minutes of having sent it, you can press undo send. And that will remove that message from your phone and their phone. Bubble disappeared. This one will disappear in a second. And the embarrassing message is gone. But what if it was more than 2 minutes? Well, let's type that message again. The super embarrassing one. Call my friend a bozo. Can't even spell it right. That's the ultimate disrespect. Okay. Bozo. Sent that through. If it's been more than 2 minutes, you can't unsend it. But if it's been under 15 minutes, you can still edit it. Tap and hold. Tap on edit. Change it to whatever you want. Doesn't even have to include the original words. Tap the check mark and it's been changed. It shows here that it's been edited, but the person who receives it, they don't know what it was edited to or from. Maybe you had a period, but you wanted to add an exclamation mark. There's no way to know. And so the embarrassing message, if they had not seen it yet, is gone. If it's been over 2 minutes, so you can't unsend, and if it's been over 15 minutes and you can't edit the message, there's one last ditch Hail Mary that you can do. And that's this long message right here. You can try to hide or bury the message. So you might have the embarrassing message right there, and then you want to type in something in the new message, hit enter a whole ton of times, and then type in the message again. Doesn't have to be the same message at the top and the bottom, but you can see that there's a huge message here. And the person who receives that, they might just think, oh, so-and-so put too many carriage returns above their text, and that's why the message is so huge. Haha, that's really funny. They might not scroll up to see your super embarrassing message. You will probably not get away with this too many times with the same person. Eventually they'll be like, what are you doing with these giant messages? Like, you can't be messing it up that often over and over. Make sure you don't send embarrassing messages. That's step number one. But if you do, if it's within 2 minutes, you can unsend it. If it's within 15 minutes, you can edit it. If it's been over 15, you can try this Hail Mary, and hopefully one of those works. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video right up here, which shows you how to add a custom song, whatever song you want, as your ringtone on your iPhone. Check out that video, and I'll see you there.